What does thóin mean? If you are planning a trip to Ireland, you might come across some interesting phrases in the Irish language. One of the most famous, and certainly one of the cheekiest, is thóin. This phrase translates directly to kiss my arse in English. It is a colorful expression that carries a strong tone of dismissal or defiance. The phrase consists of 3 words: pógi, which means kiss, mo, meaning my, and hoin, which refers to arse or buttocks. While it might sound humorous, it is considered vulgar and should be used with caution. In Ireland, this phrase is often recognized as a playful or rude saying. You might hear it in casual conversations or see it referenced in Irish music and culture. However, it is not something you would want to use in formal situations or with people you do not know well. Pronunciation can vary slightly depending on the region. Common pronunciations include pogma hoin or pogma horn. This phrase is one of the most well-known Irish language swear phrases, adding a bit of local flavor to informal settings. For travelers interested in Irish language phrases, pogma hoin serves as a fun example of how the language can express strong emotions. It also highlights the importance of context when using such expressions. While learning these phrases can be entertaining, it is essential to be respectful of local customs and sensitivities. If you hear this phrase during your travels, it can be a great conversation starter. Just remember to use it wisely and be aware of the audience. Understanding phrases like pogma hoin can enhance your travel experience in Ireland, making it more engaging and culturally rich. So, as you plan your Irish adventure, keep this phrase in mind, but use it sparingly.